This is your leg workout. This is your leg workout. Let's go. Follow me. First, we're going to do the first sequence of the exercise that we're going to repeat. So classical position, what does that mean? That means this leg is bent, this heel is on the floor. This leg is on releve, foot is on releve. And you're standing like this. Okay. First of all, we're going to go drop, hip 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 drop. What am I doing? As I drop this hip downwards, I'm going to squeeze this bum cheek. Make sure this knee is bent the whole time. Drop. This leg's going to burn real quick, okay? Drop, drop, chest up, shoulders down. And we're going to go drop, drop, drop. Hold, 5, 6, 7. Hip drop, hip drop, hip drop. And 5 and 6 and 7. Hip drop, hip drop, hip drop. Let's change sides. You've got drop, drop. So this heel's on the floor, this leg is bent. Drop, drop, drop. I'm dropping this hip, but I squeeze this bum cheek to make the movement nice and sharp. Chest still, trying to wobble everywhere. Okay? Okay, and we got 1. We got 2. We're gonna go into 3s. Okay, guys. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Drop, drop, drop. Keep this heel off the floor as you do it. 1, 2, 3, enough. Next part, we're gonna go around. Put a pen on the front of this hip and draw a circle. Keep this heel on the floor the whole time and this heel lifted the whole time. You're going up, going out. You're going down and across. It's like a square on the screen. Down, across. How you go? Hip up, hip out. Hip down, Shakira. Up, out. Now connect it. We're going around, 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 around. Let's change sides. You're going up, you're going out, you're going down, you're going across. Keep this heel on the floor. Keep this heel lifted the whole time. Out and down. Pretend you're in Shakira's music video, or be Shakira if you like. Up and around. So now I've got a pen on my hip pointing at you, or you pointing at me. You're drawing a big circle with this hip. La 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 la. La 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 la. Is that even what she sounds like? No. But anyway, around. Okay, we're gonna go drop, 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 around. And you've got to finish on the up. So you're going hip drop, hip drop, hip drop, up and around. Finish on the up. Drop, 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 up, around, hip, lift. Drop, let's go slow. 2, 3, up, around, hip lift. Drop, 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 up, around, down. You've got drop, 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 and you're going up, around, finish on the up. So you can go drop, 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 lift, out, round, up. So it's drop, 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 up, around, and hip lift. Drop, making a circle, right? A circle and finish at the top. Drop, 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 and now we're moving on to the leg exercise. You're gonna bend this leg. You are going to turn out before me and make this angle in the leg. If you're a ballerina, it's attitude, your attitude position, right? And all I want you to do is this, turn it in, turn it out. So this leg's taking all the work, and you're also gonna work your abdominals in a second. So my leg's going in and out, in. Okay, now we're gonna lift it up, do the same thing. Okay, so balance. If you need to hold on to a wall, hold on to a wall or something. Turn in. Notice my hip is going with me. Okay, we're gonna add on. Going in, take the leg across, then you're gonna open, take the leg back, okay? Sorry, we can shake my legs. So I'm going in and across. I call this the figure of 8 leg. It's like you're making a figure of 8. If I face the side, going in and out, in and out. And you're trying to snake your leg, snake your hip, and snake. And this leg should be burning. Make sure the leg is bent. Let's change sides. Ready for the foot. You're going out and in, out and in, out and in. Bring it up. Out and in, out and in. Let the hip go with you. This leg is bent. Holding on for support if you need to, but ideally you don't. You do it like me. And then you're gonna go. Turn it in. Take the leg across, 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 across. Open. You keep this bend the whole time. And to the back. And then snake it forward and open. So we're making a figure of 8 with your knee, really. Okay, so it's in and out. In and out. Are you sweaty yet? Okay, let's go. Drop, 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 and around. Drop, 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 and around. Let's change sides. Drop, 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 and around. Drop, 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 and around. We're going into some squats. I'm gonna bounce twice. So you're gonna reach your bum back, you're gonna go bounce, bounce. Now really reach your bum. It's a leg workout, right? So really reach your bum as far back as you can behind you. Make sure your knees, the squats, right? Make sure your knees are not doing this, okay? Back, back, back. 4, 3, 2. We're gonna do 2. You're gonna go bounce, 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 bounce. 2 more. Bounce, bounce. 1 more. We're gonna add in some hair flicks. So I'm gonna put my hand on my chest and I'm going 1, 2. Touch your hair over one shoulder. Touch your hair over one shoulder. Touch your hair. I call these girly squats because we make it girly with a bit of a hair flick or hair toss. Okay. If you need to, put your hands on your thighs. Make sure you're pushing your bum. So in the face diagonal, we're gonna go. Look to the side every 2 bounces. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Toss your hair. 4, 3, 2. From the top. Drop, drop, drop. Around. 1 more time. Drop, drop, drop. Around. Let's change. Hip drop, hip drop, hip drop. Up and around. Hip drop, hip drop, hip drop. Up, leg, leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep the knee bend the same, that mounts, change legs. In, out, in, out. Yeah, so my leg is always bent. And I'm trying to snake and coil. Ready? Let's squat. 1, 2, toss it. 1, 2, toss it. 1, 2, toss it. 1. Make sure you're squatting. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Shimmy. Arr, arr, arr. Yes. 4, 4, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 1, and relax. If you're not burning, do it again. See you in the next video. Bye.